If you are sojourning in Da Nang, you will definitely notice the rocky outcrops jutting out in the horizon just south of the city. These mountains are known collectively as Marble Mountains or the Five Elements Mountains. As hinted by its moniker, the mountain cluster is largely composed of marble and limestone. In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Water Mountain and unveil spectacular views along the way. Amongst the 5 mountains, Thuy Son, the Water Mountain, is the most accessible and also the most famous for tourists. You can either climb to its summit or pay 15,000 dong for a one-way elevator ride to the peak. The entrance fee for the mountain itself is separate and costs around 40,000 dong per adult. If you intend on hiking up the slope, remember to bring a large bottle of water to stay hydrated and to wear shoes with good grip. The weather can be rather unpredictable and the stairs can become particularly slippery in wet conditions as they are literally made of marble. Once you are at the top, you will discover an amazing system of pagodas and Buddhist sanctuaries both in the open air and inside the grottos. The caves in the cliff were originally inhabited by the Cham people, an ethnic group of Austronesian descent. During the 19th century, the Nyung dynasty built many pagodas among the caves. Today, visitors from all over the world get to admire their work. After getting off the elevator, I would suggest you take a good look at the map and consult it regularly during your explorations. Don't charge forward aimlessly like we did. By neglecting our map, we lost our bearing and ended up crawling through the mouth of a small cavern inadvertently.
Babe, I can't see shit.
Me neither.
Yeah, but it's the
I don't want to crush my glasses, and I mean our hands are dirty. Oh fuck, we should have gone the other way.
To get out, we had to navigate through a network of underground tunnels and find our way out of the obscure environment. Thanks to the disgruntled German couple who also got lost by following us, we were able to find our way out. They were kind enough to shine their cell phone lights for us and illuminate our pathway while me and my partner scrambled to stay on our foot because we are just city people who don't really explore caves or go hiking much. Anyhow, there are many sites that are more accessible than the tiny cave we crawl through. Notably, the Cave of Heavenly Light and the Cave of Hell are visually stunning and a must-see. Also many Buddhist temples that you can visit on the grounds of the mountain. When going down, most people opt to descend the mountain by foot to save a couple bucks. It is also quite effortless. We were lucky and encountered a cute primate friend on our way down. Despite our minor setback, we still had a blast and really enjoyed our excursion. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you are going to Marble Mountains, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you look forward to seeing the most.